Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon, and welcome back to day two of our Generative for Teaching and Learning program. So, hope everyone's doing good. We will be get starting at 3 p.m. So, let's give everyone a minute to join. So, as usual, please make sure you are joining with your registered email ID for attendance. And yes, we will get started at 3 p.m. sharply. All right, everyone. Welcome back to day two of our Generative for Teaching and Learning program. Hope everyone's doing good, and we will get starting in a few minutes. And let's give everyone a minute to join. As usual, please make sure you are joining with your registered email ID for attendance. And we will get started in a few minutes. Thank you. Once again, very good afternoon to everyone, and welcome back to day two of our generative AI for teaching and learning. And yes, all right, I think we are all set. Good afternoon, ma'am, and let's get started. It's over to you, ma'am. Have a great session.
So good afternoon, sir. So good evening, one and all. So just give me a few minutes. Let me share the screen. Just 2 minutes. Hope screen is visible for you. So okay, fine. Let's start with the session. So today, and today's session focuses on practical communication with AI tools and improving output quality. So the session objectives are understanding prompt engineering, identify different types of prompts. So write effective prompts, use AI for communication tasks. So generate professional AI outputs. So these are the session objectives. So first, we are going to see what is a prompt. Okay, so whenever we ask ChatGPT something, we are giving a prompt, clear prompts. So whenever we are asking ChatGPT something, so we are giving a prompt. So prompt is otherwise we are requesting something to the AI, or we are just giving some input to the AI and getting responses from the AI. So it always the clear prompt generate better AI responses. So clear prompt generates better AI responses. So let us see a prompt in a very simple terms. We can say a prompt is an instruction, a command, a question given to AI. Prompt is the language used to communicate with AI. real life analogy. So we, just like humans, need clear communication, AI systems also need specific instructions. So real life analogy. Just it is see weak instruction. We are saying this is weak instruction. So because so I have given the prompt like bring food. Okay, so what is the problem? Why this is considered as weak instruction? See, there is no, we didn't say which food we need to bring, and what is the quantity, whether you need the food either in veg food or non-veg food. So we are considering this as a weak instruction. Can you try this prompt? See, open any LLM like ChatGPT. See, all of you just open the ChatGPT or which is familiar for you, so you can open any LLM like or ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Claude AI, anything as you wish. Just open it and give this prompts. Bring food. Anybody are you trying this? Are you trying it? So what is the answer you are getting? If you are giving only bring food, what is the answer you are getting? Yes, I could see the results here. Okay. Okay. So see here, what is a clear instruction? The clear instruction is bring one veg pizza with extra cheese. Here they have mentioned what food you want. I mean, which food. So I have told I want the food pizza. So what quantity? So here I have mentioned the quantity one. Either it is veg or non-veg. Yes, veg. So this is a clear instruction. So before whatever instruction I am giving, that is not clear instruction. Okay. So that's the difference. Try with these two prompts. Try with these two prompts and share me what is the response you are getting in the chat box. Okay, Suma. So what food do you want me to bring? So this is a weak instruction. So I could see one response. Okay, I see the message from Amol. Could you clarify what you mean by bring food? Okay, Bobby. Fine. Okay. I could see the message of Vidya. Fine. Fine. So can you see here, oh, we are requesting something. Just we have given the message like bring food, but it is considered as a weak instruction. So the AA is not properly, chatbot is not properly responding to us. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now try for this one. Try for this one. This one, second one. Clear instruction. Bring one veg pizza with extra cheese. Try for this. Yes, I could see the result of Arati. Fine, from Vidya ma'am. So okay, fine. So you could see the difference between both of it, right? So one is weak instruction and another is the clear instruction. So what is prompt engineering? So prompt engineering prompt engineering is an important future ready skill in AI communication. Okay, so let's see the definition for it. So prompt engineering is the process of designing effective prompts to get accurate and useful AI responses. Okay, so next we are going to see why prompt engineering is important. Okay, the good prompts improve productivity and generate high quality AI outputs. So here are some reasons why prompt engineering is very important. So better AI responses, it saves time, it improves accuracy, reduces confusion, generates professional output. Okay. So next we are going to see for weak versus strong prompt. So in weak prompt and strong prompt, both I have given one example for it. So here, write about AI. It is a weak prompt. Okay. So AI response very broad and unclear. Okay. So AI response and see about here. See the second prompt, that is strong prompt. Explain artificial intelligence for first year college students with simple examples in 200 words. Okay. So this is strong prompts. So strong prompts clearly specify audience about the topic, length, and style. AI responses more accurate, beginner friendly, and structured. So that's the difference between weak prompt versus strong prompt. And next important concept is you try this prompt first. Write about AI, give this weak prompt as well as give the strong prompt and post that response what you are getting from AI in the chat box. Just do it. Try this. Yes, I could see the result from Amol. So, what is the prompt you gave, Amol? What is the prompt you gave? Either you gave for weak prompt or strong prompt. I think it is for weak prompt. Write about AI. Yes. So others, I could see only the result of Amol. And try for the strong prompt too. And post your response. All of you just try and post your response in chat box. Yes, from Vidya ma'am. Okay, fine. I could see only two members result here. I want everyone to try it. Try for the strong prompt and put the response in the chat box. Yes, I could see from Arati. Yes, okay. Okay. From Bobby, write about AI in one paragraph. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We move on to the next slide. So next is important concept is structured prompt produce accurate and professional responses. The quality of output depends on the quality of the prompt. Okay. So just go for next. So we are going to see a components of a good prompt. Let's see for the first. So clear instruction. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Okay, that is the clear instruction you are giving to that AI. Tell the AI exactly what you want. The better the prompt, the better the AI response. Okay. So one example here. So create a 5 interview questions for Python beginners. So this is one example they have given. So try this. Here we are telling the AI exactly what we want, right? So better the prompt, you get the better the AI response. So try for this prompt. Create 5 interview questions for Python beginners and put your respond in the chat box. Make it fast. Okay. So I could see the results from Professor Jadhav. Okay. Hmm. So I could see the response in the chat box from Amol, from Jadhav, from Zoom user, from Radhika, yes, ma'am, Vidya ma'am, Dr. Shashikala ma'am. Okay, from Arati ma'am. Okay, Aparna ma'am have given the reply. Fine. Okay, fine. So we just move on to the next slide. So second step is context. You have to understand all this. So clear text means, sorry, clear instruction means tell the AI what you want, what you want. Okay, that is clear instruction. Second is context. It will provide for background information. Context means providing the background information. Can you see here? You are a trainer teaching first year college students. Okay, so here they have given the background information to whom they are teaching. Okay, for the first year college students. So this is the background information. So this is called context. Context means providing the background information. So try this. So try for this. Okay, fine. So here I could see the results from Soumya ma'am, from Sujit Kumar sir. Fine. Okay, from Vidya ma'am. Okay, fine. Okay, so next we are moving to the next topic. Output format. We are going to specify the format here. Let's see what is the format. So give the answers in a table format. So if you are not doing, then I could do here. Okay. Let me just open entire screen. I just opened the chat box. So chat GPT. I put the previous prompt first. So I want to put the previous prompt first. Okay, find this one. You are a trainer teaching first year college students. I put this prompt. Okay. Absolutely. Okay, fine. So what actually it is asking which platform it want to teach. I just give for Python. Okay. So can you see here? It is explaining the Python for first year college students. It is explaining everything. Fine. Third module is operators. Fourth is decision making. Module 5 is loops. Okay. So module 6 is list and tuples, functions, problem solvings, etc. Fine. So this prompt is working fine. So this is output. So if you suppose uh, I just give like uh, Python MCQ questions, give the answer in a table format. Okay. So first I'll ask for 10, give 10 MCQ questions in Python. Okay. It is giving some things, right? So next, what I'm going to ask is give the answers in a table format. So this is the output format. I'm going to try this. So give answers in table format. Okay. Yeah, it is showing right. Okay, it is giving answers in the table format. So whichever format it is necessary for you, you can download that and download that in your wishing format. Like you can download the format in, you can download as PDF or you can download as Word, anything. So can you try this? So can you try this? Yes. I could see the from Arati ma'am. Okay. Fine. So next we are going to see for constraints. Okay, constraints means mention limits if it is needed. Okay, should mention the limits if it is needed. So let us see how to do that. Okay, so explain in simple English with 100 words. So this 100 is a limit. Okay, I just give here uh, explain in simple English. So what do you want? Okay, so explain. So anything you can give. Here I'm just giving for okay. Explain a daily, or I could give like healthy good habit, healthy food habits, or healthy good habits in simple English with 100 words. So 100 words. So this is constraint. I'm giving the constraint here, like I'm asking to explain within 100 words or with 100 words. Try this. Can you see here? It has given the result within 100 words. The healthy good habits helps us to stay strong, active, and happy. We should eat healthy foods like so. It has given in 100 words. Try for this. Are you trying this? If you are trying, just post your answers in the chat box. Just give your response in the chat box. Yes. So I could see the result of Amol. Okay. So it is not that you need to work only using ChatGPT. You can go with Claude, Google Gemini. So anything, any LLM, you can use it. Fine. So we move to next. So next we are going to see for the types of prompt. So here we have for so many types. So first one is zero shot prompting. Second is one shot prompting. Third is few shot prompting. And fourth is role based prompting. And fifth is context based prompting. And sixth is instruction based. Seventh is step by step prompting. Eighth is output format prompting. Ninth is creative prompting. And 10th one is tone based prompting and constraint based prompting. And 12th is comparative prompting. And 13 is Socratic prompting. And 14 is iterative prompting. We see each and every prompt one by one. The first one is zero shot prompting. So AI answers without examples. Okay. So explain, example they have given us, explain cloud computing. Fine. Explain cloud computing. So use of this is this type of zero prompting is very quick and simple task. Let me just put this prompt in the chat GPT. So explain cloud computing. I'll give the prompt here. So here we are getting the answers. Okay, so it is giving the cloud computing explanation and a simple example. So storage details and types of cloud services and advantages. So the statement is very simple. It is very quick and simple task. So this is known as zero shot prompting. And second is one shot prompting. So what is the example here? Here the example, apple is a fruit. So now identify carrot. So here I'll just give it apple is a fruit. Okay. Okay. Now I'm telling to identify the carrot. Okay. So carrot is a, see, you have to understand, apple is a fruit. What it has said? A carrot is a vegetable. Mango. So mango is a fruit. Okay. So next, onion. Okay, onion is a vegetable. So similarly, whatever we name we give, it is identifying and then it is replying for it. So it helps AI understand the pattern. Okay. So next is few shot prompting. A few shot prompting means providing multiple examples before asking the question. Okay. So that is this. So here they are giving multiple examples before asking the question. So here only they are asking the question, but before asking this question, they are providing with multiple examples. So what it is, what they are telling, they are giving dog as animal, rose means flower, mango means fruit. Then they are asking what is carrot. Okay, dog is animal. Okay, and then I'm just giving. Okay, first I do like this. In a thing itself, I'm giving rose. Okay, now I'm asking to identify what is carrot. So it is telling carrot is a vegetable. Okay, so tomato. So tomato is a vegetable. Potato is a vegetable. So it is identifying. And similarly, I give Python as a programming language. I say Python. Similarly, I'm giving another example for this. Python is a programming language. Okay, and HTML is a markup language. Okay, so it is giving everything, but if you ask also, it will give you what is SQL, what is Java, it will tell you. So here itself, it has given everything, but we can ask what is SQL, okay, what is Java, okay, like Android, okay, and it is telling everything, CCNA, okay, and networking certification, and it is telling everything, like CSS, okay, it's a style sheet language. So it is giving everything, whatever program you give, it will give you the immediate reply in the format. And this is known as few shot prompting. Okay. So this few shot prompting improves accuracy and consistency. So it provides multiple examples before asking the question. So try this. Take 2 to 3 minutes. Try this. Try for this. Okay, fine. So I hope you tried for this few short of prompting. So next we will go with role-based prompting. So role-based prompting means assigning a role to the AI. Okay, for example, so see this example. You are a communication trainer. Teach interview skills to the students. You are assigning the role. You are telling the AI to think like a communication trainer. That you are a communication trainer. Teach interview skills to the students. So, okay. So this type of prompts, it generates expert style responses. So try for this prompt. Try for this. Try for this prompt. Give your responses in the chat box. I to try this. Okay, so this is the contract. So assigning role to the AI. So you are a communication trainer. So teach interview skills to students. Okay, so let's see here. So we are getting the results here. So how we are getting the results? It generates expert style responses. Can you see here? We are seeing the interview skills training for students. Okay, see here. It is very good. So it is telling what is interview first. An interview is a conversation between an interviewer and a candidate to understand the candidate knowledge, skills, attitude, and suitability for job opportunity. So it is very good, right? So importance of interview skills. So you need to do self-introduction, communication skills, body language. So common interview questions like this: education, situations, what is your strength? So everything it is giving, right? Star method, what happened, what was the responsibility, action, everything. It was very detailed. Really, it has given the expert style answers. Okay. Fine. So this type of prompting is known as role-based prompting. Let's see for next. So context-based prompting. So context means we have already seen about this. It is like giving background information before the task. Okay. So see here, I am conducting a workshop for first year students. Create simple aptitude questions. Okay. So here the background question is background information is we are conducting that is a workshop for first year students. So this is the background. So this is the background information and see for the prompt here. This prompt which provides relevant and customized outputs. Okay, which provides relevant and customized outputs. So try for this prompt. I to try this and you can also parallelly try for this. Create simple aptitude questions. Okay, I am conducting the workshop for first year students. Create a simple aptitude questions. So here we could see the results. A simple aptitude questions for first year students. Here are 20 beginner level aptitude questions are given here. First, based on number system, and what is the smallest prime number, and a basic arithmetic, a percentage, average, ratio, a profit and loss, time, simple interest, number series, logical reasoning. Okay, so it has given everything. So this is known as context-based prompting. Are you all trying this? Uh, can I see the yes? Very happy to see Zoom user. So Zoom user have given the reply here. Even very happy to see that you are trying and posting the response here. Fine. I could see the response from uh, Jadhav sir, Professor Jadhav, and I could see the response from Amol. Okay, Amol, fine, fine. Zoom user and Amol and Jadhav sir, I could see the repeated names. They are trying and just giving the response here, and Vidya ma'am also fine. So parallelly try this. So this prompt engineering is very important, and that is very interesting too. And it is not like simply your prompting. The prompting have more types. So we are now on the fifth type. We are seeing it one by one. So next we see for instructional prompting. So instructional prompting means giving clear and direct instructions. Let us see. Can you see it here? Create 10 MCQs on Python loops. They are asking only on Python loops with answers. So this instruction is very clear and it is very direct. Okay. So let's see the use of this type of prompting here, which always produces focused responses. Okay, it always produces the focused responses. And try for this prompt. So okay, create 10 MCQs on Python loops with answer. Okay, see here. So this is Python loops. One, two, see, we asked for 10, right? So it has generated all the question using this loop. Fine. Good. So this is working fine. Okay. So have you all tried this? Yes. Yes, yes. I could see the reply from Amol. So you say fine. We just move on to the next seventh type of prompting. And here, so this is step-by-step prompting, or else we can call this as chain of thought. So asking AI to explain step by step. For example, solve this math problem step by step. Okay. So we are asking the AI to explain this mathematical problem step by step. So this will do here. So just note down each and every keyword in the prompt step by step. Fine. So this is useful for learning and logical reasoning. Okay. So let's just see for this step by step. Fine. Solve this. Okay. You just tell what mathematical problem you need to solve. Okay. So solve any algebra problem step by step. Okay. Let's see how it is giving the results. Okay, it has taken one problem. 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. So see here, it is solving here. Okay, so it has solved. Fine. It has solved step by step. So here it is finding the value of x and substituting that value, and it is finding giving the final answer. Can you see it here? It is just doing step by step, removing 5, removing 2, and check the answer. Fine. So if you want also, you can ask for another method. Let us see how it is adjusting for it. Can you see here? This is the usual method we used to follow, right? So 2x plus 5, we usually take this 5 to the right hand side. So we usually do like this. So this is a easy one. Fine. So this is working fine. So now we just move to output formatting. So just specifying the response output. And here, give the answers in the table format. So this we have already done, right? This we have already done. I have already created the Python MCQ questions and I asked to display in the table format. So that is already done. Okay. So next is creative prompting. So this is used for imaginative and artistic content. Okay. So let us see. Write a short poem about the future technology. Okay. So use of this creative prompting is used for storytelling, poetry, scripts, and creative content. So try for this prompt. Here, this prompt is given like creative. So what they have asked, the write a short poem about future technology. So try for this. Can you see here? Robots will work, AI will learn, smart machines will take their turn, cars may fly across the sky, and helpful drones may zoom nearby. Virtual worlds will feel so real. New inventions, dreams reveal. Technology will light our way, making life better every day. Right? So try for this. Really, this works very good. Try and what you are getting for it. Yes, I could see the results of Manjula ma'am, Zoom user, Amon, and Dr. Professor. Sorry, okay, fine. Dr. Reino, Dr. Reino, okay. Professor Jadhav, fine. Again, Manjula ma'am, Radhika ma'am, fine. So I could see that the results, I mean, response from these people, fine. And from Prem Prakash, Vidya ma'am, okay, fine. So we just move on to the next prompt, tone-based prompting. So this is very important. If you are speaking to the higher official or if you are speaking to your students, your tone vary. The tone is very important. It tells your writing style or it tells your emotion. Fine. So tone-based prompting. So here, what they have given, write a workshop invitation in a friendly tone. Okay. So it controls the communication style. That is the use of this tone-based prompting. So let me just put this prompt in the chat box. Write a workshop invitation in a friendly tone. So here, see here, it is given in the very friendly tone. We are happy to invite you for the interactive workshop. Come learn new skills, explore new ideas, participate in hands-on activities, and make learning fun. Okay. So it has given in a very friendly way. Have you all tried? Yes, I could see the results. Okay. from Renu, Dr. Professor Renu ma'am, and from Manjula ma'am, fine. And from Prem Prakash sir, Amol, Shashikala ma'am, fine. Maximum six from six members I could see the response. Fine. So we move to the next. So next is constraint prompting. If it is constraint means it adds the limit or restrictions. Let us see for it. Yeah, see here, explain cloud computing in 50 words. So it is adding the limit. Fine. Keep responses concise and focused. That is the use of constraint prompting. So try this, explain cloud computing in 50 words. Okay. So it has explained in 50 words. So try for this. Yes. Yes, you can tell it is constraints can be termed as condition, or you can say that is a limitation. Or yes, from Renu ma'am, Amol, Jadhav sir, Manjula ma'am, and from Vidya. I could see the results of them. Okay, fine. We move on to the next prompt. Okay, next we are going to see for comparative prompting. So asking AI to compare the concepts. Okay. So the example given here is compare machine learning and deep learning. And use of this comparative prompting is understanding the difference very clearly. Okay. So that's the use of it. So let me just type this prompt. Okay, fine. So it has given the result. How many of them have tried? Yes. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Just we will try with some. See, I could see the results of one ma'am have asked for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See, this constraint prompt maximum, we can tell what is that, like 50 words. So you can adjust the tone, professional. So like that, it works. For example, I could give one more example of because I have noticed here, yeah, from Prakash sir, he asked to repeat the constraint based prompting. Fine, I will just tell here. I will give you a few more examples in constraint based prompting. Okay. Uh, okay. I'll just give here one more prompt. Write here a story with no dialogue under 200 words. Okay. Under 200 words. Can you see here? So these are all comes under the uh, constraint prompting. A prompt that gives an AI model specific limits or rules to follow. Okay, specific limits or some rules to follow, then that comes under constraint prompting. Okay, I hope you understand. So we have seen for the comparative prompting too. Now, Socratic, we see some examples. We see some examples for Socratic prompting. So Socratic prompting means using questioning techniques. Okay. Using the questioning techniques for deeper thinking. For example, see here what they have given here. Why is AI important in education? Give reasons with example. So try this prompt. So all of you trying this. Are you doing it? Fine. So let us see the usage of Socratic prompting. So critical thinking and discussion. Okay, so that's the use of it. Okay, let I see the response from you all. Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. So we have seen so many prompting today. So still one more, iterative prompting, improving prompts repeatedly for better output. That is known as iterative prompting. My first prompt is write about AI. I'm not satisfied with the answer. Again, I'm giving the prompt like write a 150 word beginner friendly introduction to AI with answers. Try this prompt. Okay. For this, I will just give you one more example. Okay. Just this is the prompt I'm going to give here. So write here description for a high-end stainless steel water bottle. Okay. Write a description for a high-end stainless steel water bottle. So here I'm getting some response here. Okay, so perfect for office, travel, gym, college, outdoor activities, double wall vacuum. Okay, fine. So this is your prompt. This is the initial prompt. I'm giving this example for iterative prompting. If the analysis here we can see is, so I'm a CE. I'm going to improve this prompt. I mean refinement. I'm doing refinement. Step two, adding like context, adding context and the tone. Okay, I'm just refining this. For this, how could I write it? So write a 100 word. I do one thing. I give prompt like this. Write a 100 word product description for a premium 32 OZ or double wall vacuum insulated stainless steel water bottle called the Aero Flask. Include these features: keeps drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. Second point, sweat proof matte finish. Third is leak proof magnetic cap. So, target audience eco conscious professionals and frequent travelers. Use a sleek, modern tone. So, I can't type the prompt, it is something big. So, I just use the audio font. I mean, audio, like if you are giving the voice message, it will automatically type. So, this is the better prompt, improved prompt I'm giving here. Let us see for the response. So this is the prompt. Okay. Write a 100 word product description for premium 32 OZ double wall vacuum insulated stainless steel water bottle called the Aero Flask. Include these features. Keeps drink, see whatever I want, I just gave here. Use a sleek, modern tone. So I am just telling to target the audience also. So see here. So this is a description. Before see, I get the respond like this. After you see, I'm getting the response like this. So this is the prompts. So this is actually the prompt. Now only I need to give it. Can you see here? This is the response. Fine. So so like this, you will get the better improved prompts. Fine. Once you're iterating the prompt, you will be like you're polishing the responses. Okay. Fine. Okay, fine. We move on to the next prompt. So next is some exercise for you. So kindly identify what prompts it is. Now we have seen for so many prompts. You remember? So these many prompts we have seen. Zero shot prompting, one shot, few shot, role based, context based, instruction prompting, step by step, output prompting, creative prompting, tone based prompting, constraint prompting, comparative prompting, Socratic prompting, and iterative prompting. We have seen examples for each and every type of prompting. So there is a small task for you. See, this is the questions. Identify the prompt type. Okay, identify the prompt type and tell me what prompt it is. Take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes. Once again, I'll share it again. Try this prompt. For the previous response also, I could see from Renu ma'am. I could see the response from Renu ma'am. Fine. And from Sri Lakshmi ma'am. So I want answers for all. Just figure it out and tell me. Are you trying it? Fine. So let I check your answers. Fine. I have not received any answers. Okay. No one has answered for this. Okay, fine. Let me show it now. Okay, I could see from Nanda. So creative, okay, here's response structured. The first one is what is cloud? It is informational question answering. Second is a role based prompt. And third is, yeah, content generation prompt. And fourth is instructional prompt. And fifth is comparison prompt. Yes, let's just check the answers. The first is what is cloud computing? Act as a teacher. So 10 MCQ. Explain AI. Okay, see the answers. So then you will fix it out. Fine. The first is a cloud prompting. So what is cloud computing? So this is simple prompt. Okay, it is very simple prompt. This is the first prompt we have seen. So act as a teacher. So you can identify this is a role based prompt. So 10 MCQ. So this is an instructional prompt. So explain AI to the school students. They have given the background information. Also, okay, this is a context based because they have given the background information. Compare the table between AI and ML. Okay, we need a comparison table. Okay, so output format prompt, short motivational story. So creative prompt. Fine. Okay, so next we move on to the role based activity. So, see, try for this. This will be very interesting. Try for this prompt. See here, act as a strict teacher and explain punctuality. Second is act as a stand up comedian explaining exams. Act as a motivational speaker for first year students. Act as Elon Musk explaining future technology. So this will be very interesting and this is very funny also. Funny also. Just try this prompt. Are you trying this? Okay, fine. I could see the results of Renu ma'am. Fine. Okay, Prem Prakash sir. Seeing the results of Prem Prakash sir. And again Renu ma'am. Nanda ma'am. Okay, Nanda. Fine. So this will be very interesting. This promises. Okay. Okay, fine. So we just move on to next. So next is, see, this will also, this is a very fun twist. See here, you see you're going to take only the same topic, but with different personalities, we are going to write the prompt. Can you see here? Explain artificial intelligence as a grandmother. If a grandmother is explaining what is artificial intelligence, then how the response will be. Explain artificial intelligence as grandmother. Explain artificial intelligence as a cricket commentator. Explain artificial intelligence as a movie villain. So we have same topic, but three different personalities. Just try for this. Try it. I could see the reply from Amol sir. He just using grandmother. Okay, AI explained like a grandmother. Fine. And from Renu ma'am also. Okay. And again, Amol, he tried for cricket commentator. And from Vidya ma'am, AI by movie villain. Fine. And then from Hari Prasad sir. Okay, fine. And Prem Prakash sir. Okay, slowly I think the response of every it is getting increasing. Very good. Fine. Again from Renu ma'am. Amol sir. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, shall we just move to the next slide? Okay, we are going to uh, try some example prompts for different tones. Okay, different tones. We are going to see for the tone. The first tone we are going to check with formal tone. Okay, a formal tone is professional, respectful, and official. It is commonly used in emails, reports, meetings, and academic communication. Let's see the example prompt for this. Two prompt I have given here. Either you can try for any one prompt. So first prompt is, we are pleased to inform you that a workshop on generative AI and ChatGPT application will be conducted on 15th May 2026 at Seminar Hall. All students are encouraged to participate. So this prompt is very formal. Okay. And see here, write a formal email. Okay. I'm asking for email inviting faculty members to attend a workshop on generative AI and ChatGPT applications. Either you can try any one of them. Just try and post your response in chat box. Try for it. Yes. I could see the reply from, okay. Yes. From Arati. Arati ma'am. Okay. Uh, and I could see the result from a response from Renuka ma'am, Amol, and Hari Prasad sir, Vidya ma'am. I got 5 responses, I think so. I'm from Nanda sir. So this prompt, which is representing in a very formal tone. So next we just see for another tone. So next we are going to represent give the prompt in a friendly tone. Let's see the example for this. A friendly tone is a warm, casual, and approachable. Let's see one example for it. Hi, hey everyone. We are excited to conduct a fun and interactive workshop on generative AI and ChatGPT this Friday. Don't miss the chance to learn something amazing. So this is one prompt. And one more prompt I have given here is, write a friendly message inviting students to participate in a Python workshop. So you can try either one. So try for this prompt, the example prompt for friendly tone. Try for it. Okay. I could see the reply from I could see the reply from um, Hari Prasad sir, Vidya ma'am, again from Amol sir. Okay. So from Akshata, fine. Okay, fine. So now we have seen the example for friendly tone. And so this type of tone is, its output style will be warm, casual, and approachable. And third prompt is angry tone prompt. An angry tone expresses frustration, disappointment, or strong emotion. Okay, so I'm going to show one example for this. I just read this prompt. It is disappointing that many students ignore the workshop instructions despite repeated announcements. Such irresponsible behavior affects the learning environment. So, this is one prompt. And write an angry complaint letter about poor internet service in the college campus. So, these are all the two types of prompts. Try for this. So, have you tried? Fine. So, I could see the results from Daya Naik and from Nanda sir and from Misbah. Okay, and from Amol, Vidya ma'am, Akshata ma'am, Purnima ma'am, from Renuka ma'am. Fine. So, fine, it is working, right? So, let's just go for the next prompt. So, the next prompt, see, this type of prompt output style will be strong emotion, frustration, and serious language. Okay, so next we are going for funny tone prompt. Okay, funny tone prompt. A funny tone adds humor and entertainment. See for this prompt, write a funny social media post about students using AI before exams. So this is a funny prompt, and always the output style of funny prompt will be humorous, entertaining, light-hearted. Okay, so this is funny type of prompt it is. Try this. Okay. So I could see the response here. From Aarti ma'am, from Amol, okay, from Renuka ma'am, and from Akshata, from Prem Prakash, right, from Purnima, from Misbah, okay, from Sayyida, okay, from Vidya ma'am, I could see the response. Fine. So we just go to next. The the next tone is poetic style prompt. A poetic tone uses rhythm, imagination, and expressive language. Let's see the example prompt for it. Where ideas bloom and future shine, AI and learning now align. Join the workshop, take a chance, step with technology, modern dance. So this is one prompt, and here another prompt is write a short poem about artificial intelligence and future technology. And output style of poetic prompt will be creative, rhythmic, and expressive. So try for this prompt. From Zoom user, from Amol, from Syed. So I could see the response from them. From Akshatama, from Renuma, from Purnima, and from Vidya. Still anybody is trying for it? Okay, fine. And next I will show you some prompt examples. Okay, I'll show you that. Fine. Next, prompt examples for tone writing in ChatGPT. Can you find this? What prompt it is? Write a formal invitation for a college workshop. Rewrite this paragraph in a friendly tone. First one is formal tone, second is friendly tone, and third is write a funny announcement for students. Funny tone, and convert this content into poetic style. So it's poetic tone and this is an angry tone. Write an angry complaint letter regarding noise pollution. So fine. So whichever prompt you like, just try for this. In all the five tones, I have given one example. Try for it. Okay, I could see the response from Purnima ma'am, Zoom user. So Prem Prakash and Purnima. So Vidya ma'am. Um, okay. So try for whichever you like, just try any prompts. These are all some example prompts. So from Akshata ma'am, I could see this. So she given the prompt for noise pollution. Fine. Fine. So next, okay, from Amol, main from Purnima ma'am. Okay, fine. We just move to the next prompt. So next prompt is only one topic. You can try this. Rainy day is the topic, but you need to represent this topic in five different tones. Can anybody try it or else give the prompt here? So this is a task for you. So rainy day is the topic. Using that topic, you need to give five prompts in different tones. Can you try this? Just take some few minutes and try it. If not, I will show you that. I got a reply from Vidya ma'am. She have given five tone in cinematic tone, in cheerful tone, in peaceful tone, in funny tone, mysterious tone. Okay. Yes, I could see the reply from Akshata, Akshata ma'am, Renuka ma'am, and Purnima ma'am. Okay, she has given the prompts. Yes, from Renuka ma'am, I could see a perfect prompt, like informal tone, friendly tone, humorous tone, poetic tone, and motivational tone. That is good, but I'll show the prompts here or two. I displayed the prompts. You can check it out. And you can try for these prompts too. Are you trying for these prompts? Okay, fine. I could see the reply from Amol sir. Bhakti. Fine. Any doubts in prompting? We have seen what is prompt, what are all the types of prompt. We have seen for nearly 14 to 15 prompts. I mean, the types we have seen. And with each and for every prompt, we have seen the example we worked out. And we have seen the tones. We have seen for 5 different tones. So we have worked so many prompts, so many example prompts today. Do you understand the session? Is it clear? Are you clear about the today's session? Fine. Thank you. Thank you, Prem sir. Vidya ma'am, thank you. Fine. Fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. So today attendance link is posted in the chat box. So without fail, fill the attendance. Give the attendance. Any doubts you have? Monica ma'am. Fine. We enjoyed a lot attempting different ones. Thank you. Thank you, Monica ma'am. Nice session. Thank you, Renu ma'am. Very interesting, informative, and surely I enjoyed the session. God bless you and the team. Thank you. Thank you so much for your blessings, ma'am. Thank you. It's a very interactive session. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, Prem sir. Thank you, Manjula ma'am. Thank you, Praveen sir. Bye. So if you feel any doubt, please stop me then and there. I always check with the chat box. Yes, you can see for the YouTube recordings, it is available. So you can check for it. So thanks for joining. Um, thank you, Pravila. Pravila ma'am. Thanks, Monica ma'am. Okay, fine. Okay, Mayuri ma'am, shall we wind up the session, ma'am? It has got over.
Sure, ma'am. We'll conclude the session for today. And
Yeah.
all the faculty members, the attendance link has been shared in the chat box. Please fill your attendance. Thank you, Sangeeta, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So thank you all. Thank you all for joining. Thank you.